Hey, it's 9:22 and I'm at McDonald's and look at all the people. Of course it is raining, but come on, y'all. How's a working guy supposed to get in and get out? But maybe I'll get to pull up here and get something to eat. Alright, that house back there has got an issue with a 90% furnace. They called and said it's leaking water. The drain pan is full. Sides of the furnace is wet, and can't figure out why. So as soon as they call me and tell me how to get in here, it's on the gate. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a chain. As soon as they tell me how to get in here, we'll go down there and see if we can't figure it out. But otherwise, well, it's just a waiting game now. So I'm gonna try to call him again, see if he can tell me where the keys are. Alright, so here we are inside the house. Look what I get to walk through. So we're gonna go upstairs and see if we can't figure out what's wrong with that. More stairs. All right. Well, I see the water. So anyway, let me do some investigating. See if we can't figure it out. All right. Well, I found a water leak right up here. See it? So there you go. So, and it's loose enough, it's just not even glued. But that's where it is. I don't know if you can see it running out of there. Yeah, you can see it. So anyway, that's it. So we'll get that fixed and go on to the next one. Alright, so I actually wasn't able to get that one fixed. My glue is all dried up. I guess it froze or something. That's the only bad part about glue. It doesn't last that long in the winter time. Of course, since I don't install a lot, I don't get to mine's back there in the back. I'm not riding around in a service van where it stays warm all the time. So anyway, the guy that actually put that system in is going to come back over here and fix it. And then so now I'm headed down to Atlanta to there's a geothermal down there. It's got a short in it. We're going to go try to find a short and do a startup on one. So anyway, we'll see if we can't get it figured out.